Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to get Windows to read text aloud. Here are a few steps to get Windows to read text aloud using built-in features. Using Windows Narrator. Open Windows Settings. Press Win plus I to open these settings. Go to Accessibility. Click on Accessibility or Ease of Access and all the versions. Select Narrator. In the Vision section, click Narrator on the left panel. Turn on Narrator. Toggle on Narrator or press Win plus Control plus Enter as a shortcut. Adjust Narrator settings. Customize the voice and other options under Narrator settings. Highlight and read text. Open a document, web page, or email, then use caps lock plus R to start reading aloud. Use Read Aloud in Microsoft Edge. If reading from a web page or PDF in Microsoft Edge, just press Ctrl plus Shift U to activate Read Aloud. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.